Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. And do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel if you have not done it so far, and do press the bell button so that you get all the notifications of all the episodes that I upload. So for the session of today, come.
Cinnamon and banana pancake, and that also eggless. How do we make it? We need a bowl, and in the bowl we add a banana and mash the banana well. And all-purpose flour or maida and wheat flour or atta, jaggery or brown sugar or any natural sugar, salt, any natural salt, cinnamon, and mix well. Now, milk full tone or full fat, add half a cup and mix well. Keep the other half and mix well. Now add the other half of the cup and again mix well. It has to be mixed till the time a free flowing batter is observed. Look how well it has been made, and lump free of course. Now add a little melted butter and mix again. Now set it aside till the time we are ready to make pancakes. Now add baking powder and mix well again. And there, that is what the batter should look like. Free flowing, lump free. Now add crushed cardamom and mix again. There, that is what the batter should look like. Now light the flames add any butter, salted or unsalted butter, homemade or factory process is up to you, is your wish. And once melted, add a dollop of pancake and allow it to spread on its own, or help it to spread, as I always say. Wait for the pancake to become firm, and it should cook well also in the meantime. I'll show you. Now flip when the batter is a little firm. Look, it's coming out nice, isn't it? Now add a little bit of butter and spread this butter on this side of the pancake. Why? I'll show you why. When done, now look at that. The pancake is firm. Now swirl the pancake, move the pancake around so that it gathers all the butter and allow it to cook. Allow the side to become firm. When done, add a little more butter to this side and spread the butter again. The spreading is basically to coat the side with butter. And now flip the pancake. There you are. See that? Beautiful, isn't it? Now swirl the pancake to spread the butter. There you are, looking beautiful, isn't it? One feels like taking it off the pan and eating it right away. Now flip again. The pancake now is very firm. Now flip for the last time. So beautiful it is. One cannot even think of waiting. And the pancake is ready. Once the pancake is ready, plate. If you have the patience, plate now. Usually pancake is served with butter or honey or both, and banana. But how do I serve it? I always serve the pancake with a dollop of vanilla ice cream. Try it for a change and do share with all your known and your enemies too.
So friends, trust you have loved the session today. Do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. And till the time we meet again with another session, thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.